During a routine highway patrol, officers spotted a stolen Fiat 500 Abarth, but the driver had no plans to pull over. The moment they hit the lights, the suspect floored it, turning a simple stop into a full-throttle chase. A stolen car, a high-speed pursuit, and a desperate suspect pushing the limits. Police raced to stop the fleeing vehicle, but the chase took a dangerous turn, ending in a dramatic crash.
Voertuig brandband in de berm. Moment. Voertuig geramd. Voertuig gaat er weer vandoor. Ga richting België, richting Duitsland. Gaat er voorbij. Voertuig gecrashed, persoon uit het voertuig. Rennen.
After losing control of the vehicle, the driver crashed and immediately jumped out, sprinting away from the cops on foot.
Ja, is dit jullie misschien een buurt?
Now let's check out another police chase from the Netherlands. Once again, officers were in pursuit of a stolen vehicle, and it didn't end well for the thief.
Ja, voertuig in de verte in zicht, rijden nu ter hoogte van 251.6. Ja, voertuig lijkt er vandoor te gaan, snelheid wordt verhoogd. Rijden nu met op de geluidssignalen, snelheid verhoogd. Ja. Locatie is het. Ja. Aanrijding gemaakt. Rijd door. Ja. Stop. Staan blijven! Politie! Staan blijven!
After crashing into stopped traffic, the driver somehow managed to keep going, but not for long. Moments later, he caused another accident, forcing him to pull over and make a desperate run on foot. What started as a routine traffic stop quickly turned into a dangerous high-speed chase. A motorcyclist caught speeding at over 80 miles per hour had no plans to stop. Instead, he pushed his bike past 100 miles per hour, weaving through city streets in a desperate attempt to escape. But when he tried to make one last turn, officers made their move.
B1037 on a motorcycle, leave westbound on 12. Come on, right, you can.
Yes, 1064 for Adam 10, 1037.
Come on, Casey! Get him enough. Yeah! Okay, got one tase. Put your hand behind your back. Do it now. I'm gonna tase you again. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. Hey, put your hand behind your back. Hey, I'm right here.
After a tactical maneuver sent him tumbling off his bike, the suspect made one last attempt to flee, this time on foot. But a taser, a takedown, and backup officers ensured his run was over. Now facing multiple charges, his reckless escape ended with a hospital bed instead of a clean getaway. A simple seatbelt violation quickly escalated into a high-speed chase, when the driver refused to pull over. Pushing past 80 miles per hour, weaving through traffic, and ignoring all warnings, the suspect tried to escape. But a well-timed tactical vehicle intervention sent the car crashing into a concrete barrier. What happened next took the situation to a whole new level. The passenger made a run for it, ditching a rifle and a backpack full of drugs, but he didn't get far. Both suspects were caught, and what started as a simple seatbelt violation ended with guns, drugs, and a stack of felony charges. A high-speed pursuit erupted in Crescent City, California, when a motorcyclist refused to stop for a highway patrol officer. Pushing speeds over 120 miles per hour, he weaved through roads in a desperate attempt to escape, but after 20 minutes of reckless riding, his luck ran out.
We took a left, just past 270.
66, you turn mid through the grass driveway.
Stop! Stop now!
Oh, 95S3, I'm going to be Parkway Railroad. $95S3 Parkway Railroad. 80 primary, 226 secondary, 100 miles on railroad, like traffic. I'm behind him.
9566, we have the NSO K9 with us now.
95S3, what's the disposition of air? Bound Washington from 101. Out of 588, westbound Washington from 101. Vehicle PC. Oh, 9588, vehicle PC. Yeah, got him, yep.
The chase ended in a crash with a sheriff's patrol vehicle, followed by a brief struggle before officers took him into custody. Now facing multiple charges, including evading police and drug possession, his dangerous attempt to flee only landed him behind bars. A dirt bike rider in Georgia decided to turn the streets into his personal playground, laughing at officers, flipping them off, and weaving through traffic in a reckless attempt to escape. Speeding into oncoming lanes and forcing cars to slam their brakes, he created a dangerous situation that could have ended in disaster.
Turn it on God, B. Godry Road, eastbound back into the county, blue dirt bike, black male, black hoodie.
we're in pursuit of it. Southampton Road.
Back up to Gobby Road. Black male, black pants, black hoodie, black helmet.
Light traffic, reckless driving for the charges. Traffic marked light. Alright, he just struck a patrol car, so now we got hit and run. Going on Crest Ridge Drive. Crest Ridge Drive.
Put your hands out. Hands out.
But his wild ride didn't last long. After dodging through traffic and tearing through grass, he suddenly laid the bike down and surrendered. Now facing multiple charges, his attempt to outrun the law ended with cuffs instead of a clean getaway.
I'm sorry.
A wanted suspect in a red Chevy pickup refused to go down without a fight. When deputies tried to pull him over, he refused to exit, threatened to damage a patrol car, and then put his truck into four-wheel drive, ready to make a run for it.
Stop me right now.
Why is that?
Because I'm turning myself in before 2 o'clock. I gotta go to Walmart and gas station and take this truck back home, and I'm being brought back to town.
Okay, roll the window down for me.
Now,
Well, roll the window down. Jeff, if I have to smash the window, you're gonna catch another charge. Okay? Hop out the truck and we can talk about it, Jeff.
no, we're not.
Jeff, hop out of the vehicle. Who are you trying to call? Okay, and I'll make a phone call.
You can do it right now before I take off.
Okay, well, hop out the truck then. Who are you trying to call?
I'm calling right now. I'm calling Kurt the bondsman because he already talked to the captain. I'm turning myself in before 2 o'clock.
unit over up.
Jeff, if you leave, you're going to be committing a flee and elude.
Correct.
Jeff, you're going to catch another charge, buddy. You're going to end up going to prison if you end up doing something
I'm going to
stupid.
prison anyway. That's why I'm turning myself in. You've been good to me, man.
I know, and I'm trying to be polite and trying to help you. But put the car in park.
1304.
With them. We're westbound, 1 Michigan. Northbound on the 57.
Northbound 39.
The slow-speed chase wound through the village of Paw Paw, but deputies weren't letting him escape. The sheriff himself blocked the road, forcing the suspect to a stop. Now back behind bars, his attempt to flee only added to his growing list of charges.
Felony stop.
Copy, felony stop 1312.
Get out. Open it. Open it.
I'll smash it. Open.
I'm gonna.
Open it now.
I am. Don't grab me. I'm already hurt.
Hop on out. Step out.
I'll get out. Can my brother come get my truck?
Quit reaching.
I ain't got nothing, dude.
Turn around, face the car. Turn around, face the car now.
I am.
Turn around and face the car.
Which way?
Right there.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below which clip you liked the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.